Namaste everybody. A happy moment today for the opportunity given by our Director Sir in the presence of our AD Sir and with all of you here in ABS Vidya Mandir to talk about the importance of communication. Communication is a channel to convey an information. Normally we say gestures. See, when you say like this, you need water. When you speak, may I use the washroom? Then you understand that you have to be let out. You are seeking permission. So communication is of different types. Through gestures, verbal. So this particular platform is going to give you an amazing future where apart from your academics, you are going to focus on your personal ability, your personal skills. How confident you are, how as students you come up with a lot of ideas and thoughts to convey to people. All these things you will be learning here. Extempore speeches. See how smart you will be when you are going to talk about a particular topic given without preparation. So that is an extempore speech. So all these contribute together for the best of communication that you give, and you will be adjudged as the best communicator. Earlier, anybody used to take up the role of a clerk, a telephone operator. But nowadays, as you are coming to school, you would have seen in many shops wanted salespeople with good communication knowledge. So what it means, when somebody calls, how you are going to receive them and how you are going to present the details that they require. That is very important. So communication plays a vital role, and that communication through school, when you are given an opportunity, you have to take it in the best way possible. And see, an Anglo-Indian child, a child born to Anglo-Indian parents, that child will be able to speak flawless English. How it is possible? English is the mother tongue. Whereas for us, we learn through our people around, especially in school. So when a formal schooling is given for you, you learn many things. Apart from your books, your academic knowledge, you learn the art of speaking. How? Through your teachers, through your friends, when you are discussing among them, you get to know so many things. So public speaking is an art. So when this opportunity is given for you, you should be in a position to take it up with interest. It should not be under force. It should be purely out of your own interest. Now the balancing work, how you are able to do your best in academics, at the same time how much you are able to devote your time to learn all these things. That is very important. So once you are into this, you have to make it a continuous process. You should not say, I have got my academics work to be completed. That is there. That should be given priority. But you have to devote a particular time for this. So we are all here, sir has taken an initiative to train all of you. See, all children are not in this particular room to listen to us, to gain importance. It is only a selected few. It is out of your own interest that you have volunteered. For the motivation we give, the feedback is excellent. With what you receive from us, the other children also should come forward. That is very important. So when you are at your best, when you give your best, other children, your own friends should feel, I should also be one among the group. I should also be trained in public speaking. So that should be the message that you take and the change that you make among your friends. They should also know, yes, public speaking is very important. And you are all great students who have volunteered to take part in this program. So this volunteering should give you more confidence, and you should spread this message among your friends, because we are also taking an initiative to train you in public speaking. So once you are into this, your knowledge, ability develops, and you will automatically become voracious readers. When you are a voracious reader, you are a voracious speaker. So automatically it will pull you into all that. So sir will guide you accordingly. So see to it that you get your best, and you have to be at your best in public speaking. Given a mic on the spot, you should not have the fear factor in you at all. Word should flow. Okay? So all this is possible with your dedication. So apart from your academics, choose a time, undisturbed time. That should never tamper your academics. That should never tamper your playtime. It should be an undisturbed, uninterrupted, quality time. Definitely you will be at your best. Thank you, children.
ABS Vidyalaya, ABS Vidyalaya. கற்கும் கல்வி நன்றாய் கற்கும் இடம் ஒன்றே.
மெட்ரிக் பாடம் என்றால் ஊர் மெச்சும் இடம் ஒன்றே.
டிஜிட்டல் திரையில் கணினி முறையில் தெளிவாய் கற்க நீ வா.
கல்வியோடு கலைகள் அனைத்தும் எளிதாய் கற்க நீ வா.
ABS விண்ணை தோட தன்னை தரும் ABS வெற்றி தரும் மார்க்கம் ABS சுற்றும் உலகின் உச்சம் காட்டும் ABS வித்யாலயா.
தரமான மெட்ரிக் பாடத்திட்டத்துடன் ABS வித்யாலயா திருவள்ளூர்.